Nothing in the world is as soft and yielding as water. And yet, in overcoming things, nothing is more powerful. Water's flexibility comes from what it is not. Its adaptability succeeds over what appears to be inflexible. Its subtle fluidity can be stronger than what seems to be hard and firm. Everyone sees how water is fluid, and yet few use the principle that it illustrates. However, flexible ones notice that those who are willing to accept responsibility for disgraceful deeds can become responsible leaders. And those who acknowledge their false or mistaken judgments can evolve into more truthful leaders. When a situation brings resentment, anger can linger. So how can peace come about? Wise ones have learned to keep their part in all contracts, and also to not make demands on others. Those with true power fulfill their obligations, promises, and debts. Those with hollow power insist that a claim is paid. The way of life has no favorites. It works through an open channel.